Hey guys, Jay here from Vision Miner. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to level your build plate and run mesh leveling on your 22 IDEX. Let's get started. All right, to home your machine is going to be right over here on the left-hand side where the machine movement is. This is how you home machine. Now, if you want to run a mesh leveling on your bed, you want to go over here and then you run a mesh compensation. Go ahead and do that. All right, that's all there is to it. If you want to change any settings, be down here, click on that and define area for mesh compensation. Click on that. So down here is how often it's going to probe. A larger number will get you probing less. Lower number will get you probing more. And up here is going to be your bound. So that's where it's going to be probing. All right, guys, and that's how you run mesh leveling on your 22 IDEX. For more video, please visit us at docs.visionminer.com. Thank you for watching.